This question is on the topic of acids and bases. So in the question, we are given a scenario where a solid E is added to a solution F, and the pH of the mixture is monitored as we add more and more solid E into solution F. So the first thing to take note is this. At the y-axis, alright, you will notice that before any solid E was added, the pH of the solution F is at a very low value. Alright, so that tells you that solution F must be a strong acid, and that will allow us to rule out options B and D. Next, you will notice that as more and more solid E is added, you will notice that the pH rises. Okay, pH increases. So what that means is that your acid F is being reacted away. Okay, so solid E is something that can react with acid F. Next, you will notice that at a certain point, the pH rises to 7. So what it means is that at this point, all your acid F has been reacted away. Okay, so anything beyond, we know that we have excess of solid E. And what is apparent here is that the pH remains at 7. Okay, so when the pH remains at 7, it tells you something, that solid E is in an insoluble base. Okay, why is that so? Because if the base is soluble in water, it will produce hydroxide ions, and these hydroxide ions will cause the pH to rise above 7. So the fact that the pH remains at 7, it tells you that after all your acid has been reacted, the extra base that's added do not dissolve, do not ionize in water. Alright, so that would mean that it is an insoluble base, and bases are actually metal oxides, okay, not non-metal oxides. So the answer is A.